Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable accessibility button in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to accessibility. After that go to advanced settings, and here you can see accessibility button option. Then just tap here. To enable accessibility button, just tap on select actions option. That's it. Here you can see so many options, and you can set any option for your accessibility button. Suppose if I set color filter and then go back. Now at the navigation bar corner you can see accessibility button has been enabled successfully. You can also change your button position from here. You can see two options, navigation bar and floating over the apps, and that's it. But I suggest you to set navigation bar. Now if I go to home screen and then tap here, and you can see color filter has been enabled successfully. Now just tap here again to disable it, and that's it. And that is how you can turn on accessibility button in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.